How to enable comments on YouTube. Now this is a step-by-step tutorial on how to actually do this on both PC and your mobile phone. So I'll be showing you guys how you can do this on your laptop, PC, phone, iPhone, Android, it doesn't really matter. So over here I have a video, right? And the video, if I scroll down, it says comments are turned off. Learn more. Now you don't want to click on there, but what you want to do basically is on PC, simply go to your YouTube Studio. Now if you go to your YouTube Studio and then to content, you can see all your videos. Now this is the video that I was talking about, so you want to click on details, and then what you want to do is simply scroll all the way down. Now if you scroll all the way down, you can here see comments and ratings. Now it's currently set to disable comments, so you can choose which one you would like. So hold all comments for review, so then you will have to manually accept every single comment. Hold potentially inappropriate comments for review, and allow all comments. So this is the one that I like the most, because when there are like very inappropriate comments, you will have to choose yourself if you want to have that comment under your video or not. So simply click on save, and then I'll be clicking on this video, this link again. Then when I scroll down, you can see that I can now put a comment in the comment section. Now, if you have this set on default for every single video, what you simply want to do is click on settings, go to upload defaults, scroll down or go to advanced settings actually. And then here you might have had this disabled right there. So you want to click on this and then save. And then you won't have to do that for every single video. Now, how can you actually do this on phone? Well, that's actually super easy. Well, over here I have this video, right? And once again, it says comments are turned off. Now, what you want to do is close this out and then click on your library at the bottom right corner and then go to your videos. Now here you can see all your videos that are on private as well, for example. So you want to click on the three dots of this video right over there and simply hit edit video. So click on edit. Then here at the bottom, you can see comments, disable comments. So you want to click on there and simply allow all comments or hold potentially inappropriate comments. This is the one that I like the most, to be honest. And yeah, that is basically it. So that's what you want to do. Then hit save, just like that. Open up the video again. And now you can see that we can actually put a comment in here as well, as you can see. So that is basically it. Yeah, I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.